Hi, I'm Sean from Nason Engine Parts, here to speak to you about our new cylinder head range. I've been a reconditioner for 30 years now, and I just want to run through a couple of our key points with our cylinder heads. All assembled cylinder heads are brand new castings and components. All diesel cylinder heads are fitted with chilled iron camshafts or steel camshafts where available. All our petrol cylinder heads are LPG rated with hardened inserts. All our complete cylinder heads are fitted with valve springs which are shop peened and checked for seat pressures prior to assembly. All collets and retainers are matched to ensure correct seating position. All valves supplied and fitted to our new cylinder heads are Nason's black nitrided valves. All cylinder heads are 100% inspected, machined and assembled in Australia. Cylinder head surface finishes are RA tested to comply with OE specifications. All cylinder heads fitted with camshafts are checked to meet OE specifications for valve seat recession and protrusions. All overhead camshaft cylinder heads are checked for cam tunnel alignment and clearances. All our cylinder heads come with our specification sheet, including torque specifications and sequencing. These are just a few examples of the tests and procedures that we go through to ensure we have the best product we can supply to you. Till next time, thanks for watching.